What you are about to witness is beyond fiction. In Judge Janessa's court, the people are crazy. The monsters are literal. The cases are so extraordinary you'll ask, is this even real? See for yourself. This is the Lit Court.
Okay, so Miss
Creature, Your Honor.
This is the plaintiff, Theodora Creature. She says that she's faced years of neglectful parenting from the defendant, a crazed scientist who also happens to be her father. Creature alleges this neglect led her down a dark path that caused immense psychological damage. Now she's winding back the clock and taking her father to court to make up for lost time.
Miss Creature, you are suing your alleged father for $1,818 due to what you claim is parental neglect post-creation. Tell me about that.
It was a fantastical ordeal. Frankenstein conceived me within his laboratory at the crescendo of experimentation, a feat of science never before seen.
Okay, I appreciate the details, but this isn't an English essay. Miss Creature, I just need the basics, okay? When you say he conceived you in his lab, do you mean a surrogacy?
No, Your Honor. He assembled me.
¿De qué estás hablando?
Well,
Your Honor, I apologize for interrupting, but it would be best if my techniques remain a secret.
This is the defendant, Victor Frankenstein. He says that his role as the plaintiff's father has never been legally binding, and that Creature's poor decisions were entirely her own fault. Frankenstein also claims that he and his family suffered distress as a result of the plaintiff's actions, making both parties guilty, therefore making neither parties guilty.
So, techniques as like in the bedroom?
I plead the fifth.
I see. Why the secrecy?
I have a patent pending.
Very well, science guy. Miss Creature, continue.
after I entered this world, I was met with a look of horror upon my creator's face. Your Honor, the first moments shared between a child and a parent are meant to be joyous, while the first word Mr. Frankenstein shared with me was
Miss Creature, please, tone it down. Thank you.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. It's just a traumatic moment for me.
Oh, please.
Pardon you, sir? Do you have some kind of objection here?
In fact, I do. In the years I've known the defendant, I have very rarely witnessed any emotion out of her. And when I have, it's been facetious. It's all lies.
And why is that?
To manipulate me. She's tormented me. She's loomed over me with the utmost extent of malice and treachery. When I didn't do what she demanded, she howled with devilish despair and revenge. Revenge, I tell you!
Okay, sir, that's so lot to unpack there.
I howled, Mr. Frankenstein, but not with malice and revenge. I howled with lamenting sorrow. When you made me, you did so with such infinite pains and care. Where has that passion gone? I howl to lament the loss of fire, of which I hoped had been kindled between us.
Oh, speak of fire, devilish wretch! Fire, by which you've burnt these bridges, scorched the earth, and hurt my bride! I'd like to call my witness Elizabeth to the stand.
Oh my, I'll allow it.
Mrs. Elizabeth,
Yes?
to whom are you wed?
To you, sir.
Ah, and with whom have you birthed children?
Not at all, sir.
No further questions! By common law, I am unbearing. And still, by law, I owe no obligation of care to any child. Especially not one as damned as she.
How dare you!
Order! I understand that there's a lot of emotion between a father and a daughter.
Allegedly!
So, I will not reprimand you for inappropriate courtroom behavior, sir. But I would tread lightly if I were you.
I apologize. For you see, I am actually emotional.
Petty imbecile. Your Honor, if I may.
Proceed.
Are you aware of your celebrity status?
I've published papers in the scientific field, if that's what you mean.
Nobody needs those. I'm talking about your novel, Mr. Frankenstein. Your Honor.
Thank you, bailiff.
My what?
Your Honor, if I may call Roberta Walton as a witness.
You may.
Walton, Your Honor, if you could both turn your books to page 32, there should be a sticky piece of tiny square yellow paper. If you may read the highlighted lines aloud, Walton.
My mother's tender caresses and my father's smile while regarding me are my first recollections. I was their plaything and their idol, and something better, their child, the innocent and helpless creature bestowed on them by heaven. It was in their hands to fulfill their duties to me.
To me, that sounds like Mr. Frankenstein knows the deep yearning a young creature feels toward being nurtured and cared for. Not only from a father, but from a mother too. Yet ironically, when the creation of life falls entirely on you, sir, you claim none of the responsibility. Whose child am I if not yours?
How do you even know I said that? How did you get that book?
I wrote down our conversation, sir. You saw me do it.
I was in a state of psychosis. That source is unreliable.
Sir, the point of a witness is a testimony. Are you calling for a cross-examination?
Why, yes I am.
So be it.
Mr. Walton, I recall you losing control of your crew when you took me aboard. You dreaded a mutiny caused by the despair. I was the one who had to soothe them. And in the end, your ship turned back.
Indeed, that is the case.
After the failures of your expedition, I can imagine you were down on your luck. You were poor and disgraced.
But my situation was perhaps not as extreme as that.
Regardless, you must have realized the story of a lifetime you have in your hands. You just had to fluff it up.
So are you saying my story's fiction?
No, because of the implication. I'm merely saying that you exaggerated the extent to which I was negligent.
So you admit you were negligent?
Preposterous! How dare you meddle in pedantics? That is not how I raised you.
You did not raise me at all! Besides, you've been dissecting words this whole trial!
Mr. Creature, be quiet, Mr. Frankenstein. Are you finished with your examination?
No, Your Honor. Mr. Walton, do you solemnly swear that your story is the truth?
To be truthful, my accounts of my own events were exaggerated. I do not work harder than the common sailor. I wrote poetry. I'm creative. But the accounts of the plaintiff and defendant happened as written.
Aha, but it's a book! It isn't written at all, it's typed!
Hey, calm down. Mr. Frankenstein, your line of questioning is finished. Please return to your podium. The behavior I have witnessed in this courtroom today is unlike anything I've ever seen in my 82 years of serving in this bench. I am appalled at the aggression and the chaos you two have brought with you. Regardless of whether you're biologically related, you both have brought more wrong with you than I would ever list. Mr. Frankenstein, the court hereby finds you.
When you're a small business owner, your to-do list can be a lot.
Super helpful.
What are invoices?
Progressive makes it easy to see if you can save money with a commercial auto quote online, so you can get back to all your other to-dos.
Absolutely not.
Get a quote at progressivecommercial.com.
Soft drinks are just $1 at Wendy's. Any size, anytime. 3 p.m. Fanta, 10 p.m. Sprite, 7:46 a.m. Coke. Yeah, you're built different. Dollar soft drinks any size, gotta be Wendy's.
Trick or treat.
You? Really?
Yeah, you got a problem with that?
It's Halloween. It's your giant candies.
You have a point.
Run for your lives!
He's a little dramatic.
You like watching things get broken? Like barriers? Glass ceilings? And records? Then this playoff season, we're looking for you.
Join us at Toyota Racing.
Patel will be administering the anesthesia now, so count back from 5 and we'll see you on the other side.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's do this. Gina?
No, I'm still...
Jeez, come on!
What is this guy, Wolverine?
Sometimes we need to do better.
She says you can't start until her cross is here.
But we're doing the best we can.
Oh, it's going down?
St. Dennis Medical, November 12th on NBC and Peacock.